First, our top story, barred from office, founder of Cowboys for Trump and now former Otero County Commissioner Couy Griffin punished by a New Mexico judge for his role in January 6th. So what's next? Action 7 News reporter Faith Abwanu went looking for answers.
Yeah, that's right. Former Commissioner Couy Griffin has been in the hot seat for quite some time. I did get a chance to speak with our legal expert on what that can mean for him moving forward. Judge Francis J. Matthew made it clear Otero County's former Commissioner Couy Griffin was not criminally convicted of insurrection, but his involvement on January 6 was unjustified.
These reports need to go before judges.
Judge Matthew believes Griffin's actions on January 6 align with Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, citing disqualifications from holding office.
The only good Democrat is a dead Democrat.
Griffin, often known for his controversial antics, also founder of Cowboys for Trump, has been mum since the news broke. But what does this mean in the grand scheme of things?
In New Mexico, this is a very specific situation where citizens can petition a court anywhere in the state to remove a public official, an elected official who has engaged in rebellion, has engaged in an insurrection. And that's what happened here. So the people who won, the plaintiffs, are certainly hoping that this spreads across the country.
KOAT's legal expert John Day says the plaintiffs in this case are hoping Griffin's ban brings awareness to Trump supporters concerning his actions on January 6.
The plaintiffs, the people who brought the lawsuit, are hoping that it does have an effect on the people who are supporting former President Trump in terms of shining light on the fact that there was an insurrection, that people did try to stop a constitutional process through violence and through illegal activity.
Day says Griffin does plan to appeal the ban, but it may not go in his favor.
The courts of New Mexico, the appellate courts, would probably back what Judge Matthew did. The judge put out a very thorough background for his decision. I mean, he did not leave any issues untouched in his opinion. So he's trying to protect his decision from any attacks.
And calls were made to Griffin, but we haven't heard back yet. Reporting live in Albuquerque, Faith Abwanu, KOAT, Action 7 News.
This is the first time in more than 100 years a court has removed a public official from office. Well,